Hello, good evening. This is Naren Kothari. I am the president of the Pune Construction Engineering Research Foundation. Our organization is founded in 1983, and today it's more than 42 years now that we are doing a lot of service and activity for the construction industry on a very different scale. It's an NGO and we work for the betterment of the construction industry. We have a lot of training programs and educational programs which we have been running all over the years. And it was way back in 1985 that was the first expo which we started, the Constro exhibition, and now it is going on as the 20th edition. The Constro exhibition which was started, which was from the point of view of educating the professionals from the industry, because there are a lot of materials, there are a lot of technologies that keep coming in, but in a city like Pune in those days, one would not have an opportunity to get exposure to such new things that are happening in the construction industry, or somebody is getting some important material in those days, but it was not exposed. So that's how we began with this small expo earlier in that time, and today it's one of the biggest movements of in the Western India, and it takes care of a lot of technological developments, a lot of materials that comes in, new things that are happening, and every participant over here, if you have seen in the exhibition, is everybody looking forward to Constro. That is Constro, I'm going to put this product as a new product, and so this is the place for innovation, for new product launching, and it's a great opportunity for interaction between the manufacturer, the developer of the product, and the user of the product. So they come and interact, and then they give their views, and the manufacturer takes those points positively, and they develop something new out of that. And that is happening over the years, and that's how we are educating the whole fraternity of the construction architects, engineers who are in the construction industry by conducting this exhibition. That is one of the things. Yeah. That is one of the things, but we do a lot of other activities also as a PCRF, that is the Pune Construction Engineering Research Foundation, and we are conducting some award ceremonies, and it's not just awards, but it's a lot of education process that goes into deciding who gets the award, and we do a lot of training in the process. Like for example, we have a safety audit awards and safety awards. So best safely managed site is given award, and then we have got categories in that. So we don't compare a small one with a very big project. So we have got these different categories, and in the process we have got experts from the safety field who are the jury members, and who will visit in a group of 5 to 7 people at every site. The first visit is, we have got 2 visits planned for the award. First is planned visit, when they are told we are going to come, and then they will keep everything ready, or we'll see, assess everything. And the second visit is like untold, and it is like a surprise visit. And then it is assessed whether really they are doing it or not. And that is within 15, 20 days, 1 month, anytime it is untold. And then that's how assessment happens. And in the process of assessment, our safety experts who go to the site, they see to it that they not only just assess, but they will train them. This is something that you are not doing right. This is how you can do it. This is a better process to do it. Go to that project and go and see that. So these are the things that and these guys are experts of safety. So they will give a lot of input in that. So people many times, not for the sake of award they participate, but sake of learning, that training. Their safety officers, like a big project would have at least 10 to 15 safety officers. But there's a lack of training. They just learn from the books and learn from the course that they do, 6 months or 1 year or 1.5 year course. But then they don't have practical experience. They learn that on site. But when this team goes there, frankly speaking, we have not gone too much to the government thing. We are working on a model which is self-sustaining. Constro exhibition is one such model that we have created that will give us some income to do our other activities. Like we do our research activity also now. We conduct these other exhibitions, other awards and all those ceremonies. So for that we have got a few sponsors. And then we generate our funds from our exhibition and other things to do our office staff is there, so that also maintenance is there and all these things there. We tried to do that, but it was not so successful. We did a Constro exhibition in New Delhi in the year 2001, and we found that it is not so convenient for us to manage and organize, because here we were working as honorary workers, but over there it does not work out economically and feasible to go all the way. So costs were very big, and we are not a commercial organization. We are more of a NGO, but we do it on a very professional scale. If you have seen the exhibition, it is very professionally we do that, organizing it here.